Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your Bitmoji on Snapchat. But first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will reveal my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's start. First go to your Snapchat. After that click on your profile. After that to the settings and scroll down. And here you can see the Bitmoji option. Click on that, and it's here you can create your Bitmoji, which is a personal emoji, and it says that to create an expressive cartoon avatar and pick from a huge library of stickers featuring you. So you have to click on that, select that you are a boy or a girl, and create three options. Keep your face centered, and here you will have the three options, and skip, and here you can add your skin tone, your hair color, your hairstyle, hair treatment. Alright, your eye shape, eyelashes, eye size, what else? Eye spacing, eye color, and eyebrows. So yeah, so you have a huge nose, jaw, face shape, mouth, ears, cheek lines. So you have a whole list of options to choose from: body type, chest size, paired earrings. So a lot. So here you can have a real you avatar. So I hope that it was helpful for you. Bye bye.